This video shows you how to use your lead test kit. It's simple, just follow the directions. Your test packet will have 8 swabs in it. Each of these can be used to check one place in your home for lead. First, figure out where you want to test for lead. The most common place to test for lead is inside of your home, where there are doors and windows with old paint that is damaged. Gently clean the area that you want to test with a wet paper towel to remove dust before you test. To use the swab, find the 2 points marked A and B on the tube. Keep the test swab in the cardboard tube and squeeze on the points A and B until you feel it break. After you feel it break, shake the swab. Squeeze the swab. A drop of liquid should show at the end of the swab. It will be yellow in color. The swab is ready to use to test for lead. Rub the place that you want to test for lead with the tip of the swab for 30 seconds. If the color of the liquid at the end of the swab does not change, no lead was detected. If lead is detected, the color will change to red. Red indicates that lead is present. The test kit includes another test that will make sure that your lead test swabs are working correctly. It's a small piece of paper with 4 circles on it. Squeeze a drop of the liquid from the swab onto one of the dots. If the swab is working correctly, the dot will turn red. That means the results of your lead test were correct. Throw the lead test away after you use it. They are not reusable. If you find lead in your home, don't panic. Lead paint is only a hazard if it is flaking or peeling off walls, doors, or trim pieces. If you have places with damaged paint in your home, clean any area with damaged paint and clean the floors near those areas extensively. Make sure to pick up any paint chips that you see and to minimize the amount of dust when you are cleaning. After cleaning, repaint those places so that the older paint with lead does not come off.